how to find common root words in an overall keyword niche. Now, why is this important? Well, again, I like to use this almost as a product research tactic. It could be and also a PPC play too. When I enter in Magnet a certain keyword, that's my main keyword, and I'm looking at a whole bunch of loosely related keywords, maybe there are certain trends that I don't realize. Like, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand that if I put in coffin shelf, there's probably going to be a lot of coffin related keywords. But sometimes there might be other keywords that could give you other ideas that you weren't even thinking about. All right. How can you find that? Let me show you. Let's just say I search coffin shelf here in Magnet. I'm going to look at this box called word frequency. And what this means is, of all the search results that are showing up, and I can also filter it down even a little bit, what keywords appear the most in the phrases. And again, just like I thought, the number one keyword here, or actually the number one keyword is decor at 1,000, but then coffin was 600. But maybe there's something else here that looks interesting. Like, for example, I see spooky. And I'm like, spooky, 131 of these keywords had the word spooky in it. So if I hit spooky, what happens is now all of the keywords on that list that start with the word spooky are going to show up here, and I can start getting some ideas. Like, look at this, 38,000 search volume for this keyword spooky basket, 1,400 search volume for spooky home decor, spooky desk accessories has a couple hundred searches a month. All right. So now all of a sudden I just discovered maybe in like a new sub niche where I'm looking at coffin shelf, but I see, wow, look how this keyword spooky is trending in so many of these keywords. And again, I can use these keywords in my listing, or use it as potential PPC test, or use it as an idea generation for new ideas for my brand.